Hey there, this is Adam, and I am so excited to be teaching at the Heart and Sound Songwriting and Worship Workshop coming up in La Crosse, Wisconsin on May 16th. And I would like to invite you to join us at Adoration Church. It's going to be great teaching. There's going to be opportunities to grow in worship as a worship community. It's going to be a time of songwriting, and the best news is all of it is free. You can register at reachdbm.com/heartandsound and do it quick because space is running out, time's limited, so we'd love to see you there.